All right, sports fans. So I said we were going to add a baseline. No, we're not. What we're going to do instead is we're going to create trap style hi-hats just like you hear on the records that you like. Okay. So the key is this, where it says 16 down here, right? I taught you that these individual cells are all 16th notes. The reason is because this entire area here is divided into 16 slices, right? Hence the name 16th notes. But the way to do trap style hi-hats is to switch this between multiple, what we call subdivisions. Okay, remember that. 16th notes is a subdivision. The beats are subdivided. If you look, 1 to 1.2 is one beat, but it's divided into several little slices here, right? Each one of those being a 16th note. If I hit, and I have a little diagram here, if I hit Command, the Command button, and Command 1, I can make this go from 16 to 32. Check this out. You see how I'm going to go backwards now by hitting Command 2. Oops, excuse me, guys. Sorry. So how do I get from 16 to 32? The Command button, either this one or this one, and then you hit 1. Okay. How do I get back from 32 to 16? The same Command button, only you hit number 2. Check this out. I'm going to go from 16 to 32, Command, and remember which one it was? 1. Bam, 32. Notice how basically the 16th note just gets divided in half. Watch, here we go. The 16th note is from here to here, right? This little span here, but it's divided right now by this one. I'm going to go back to 16, and this middle one's going to disappear. Check it out. You see? And there's my area again. Each one of these cells here gets divided as I go to 32. Look, see? A line gets put in. So this is how you make the trap style hi-hats. Really? You're saying, I don't see anything. Check this out. Let's push play by pushing either spacebar if our clip is lit up, right? Or pushing the clip itself. Right, here we go. Now I'm going to add a 16th note hi-hat between 1 and 1.2. Then from 1.2 to 1.3, I'm going to switch. How do I get to 32? I'm going to hit Command and 1. So I'm going to put 30-second notes between 1.2 and 1.3. Check it out. Command 1 to switch and put them in. Right. Now, I'm going to go back to 16. How do I do that? Remember, Command and 2. Back to 16, Command 2. I'm going to add 16th notes between 1.3 and 1.4. And then back to 32 one last time. How do I do that from 16? Command and 1. There you go. Trap style hi-hats, a la mode. Very simple, guys. I encourage you to practice going between 32 and 16. One thing you want to be careful with, guys, is that if for example, I just clicked up here randomly, right? I just clicked away from the grid. What happens if I hit Command and 1? It still does it. What I'm getting at is this. Sometimes you'll do Command 1 and it won't do it. You may need to click anywhere in the grid. And even if you add a note, just erase it. But at least now you'll be able to put in different note values at that point. But sometimes the browser doesn't know. Let me see if it does it here. Yeah, I did it again. So just be careful of that. If you're doing Command 1 and it's not doing, just click in this grid and it'll do it for you. And if you do add a note on accident, just click it and erase it. At least that way you're clicked in here, do your key commands, and you should be good. All right, guys, next video, baselines.